Hi, I'm Brett, and I'm your personal trainer today. We're gonna get started with our dynamic plank now. This is gonna be challenging, so be sure to go at your own pace. No need to rush through this. To start, we're gonna have our forearms on the Bosu ball, and we're gonna be pressing up with opposite hands. Make sure that our abdomen and our hips are nice and tight and engaged. As far as our feet are concerned, they're gonna be together and those shouldn't be moving. Let's do it. Great job. Let's get ready to get into our mountain climbers. This is probably going to be the toughest of the bunch. Make sure that you go at your own pace here. So we're going to have our hands, again, on the handles here. We're going to have our feet back, and we're going to be driving our knees forward, not towards the ground. Keep your abdomen tight so that we make sure that the Bosu doesn't move too much. Here we go. Giddy up. Amazing job. I know that was challenging. Now we're gonna get started with our push-ups. There's grips on either side of the Bosu. We're gonna have our hands lined up directly under our shoulders. We're gonna keep a nice tight midsection, feet are together, body in alignment here. Our elbows should be coming back at about a 45-degree angle. We don't want them flaring up. Here we go. Doing great. I know that was challenging, but you did it. Amazing job. Now we're gonna get started with our side plank. What we're looking to do here is make sure that our elbow is lined up under our shoulder, our top hip is continuing to drive towards the ceiling, and our body is in complete alignment, so keep that chin up, not tucked. Here we go. If you want to, if it's easier, you can have your hand up like this as well. Five more seconds. You're going to go on to the second side. You can have your arm up or at your side, whatever you're more comfortable with. As it gets more challenging, just remember why we're doing this in the first place, okay? Job well done. We're gonna be going into our Bosu ball split squats now. What we're gonna do here to start is have our back toe, so in this case, my right toe is gonna be on the top of the Bosu ball. My left foot is gonna be planted at a 90-degree angle. We're gonna make sure to keep the weight back in that lead heel. Nice tight abdomen to make sure that we have stability with this. Let's do it. I like to have my hands in prayer position, so feel free to do the same. Keep your focus on something in front of you for balance. Doing great. Excellent. We're going to switch to the other side now. Same thing. Find that balance. Here we go. Shake it out. You did it. For the complete workout, replay this video twice, and then check out my next workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.